Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your PayPal to your Western Union. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, on your PayPal page, what you want to do is you just want to click here on, you see PayPal balance, you just want to click on transfer funds, all right? And then basically your bank account or your card that is listed there, what's going to happen, guys, is you are going to need to transfer it to your bank account first, because there's no way to actually directly transfer the money to your Western Union. You need to first transfer it to your bank account or your credit card. Okay, you can link it here, or you can add a credit card and then press next and follow along the process. Enter your, you know, account number, expiration date, CVV code, stuff like that, and you can transfer. And then, guys, when you come to Western Union, you want to sign up, and then you want to just send. When you're sending money, guys, you're going to be putting in the same details in Western Union. So you're going to be transferring money basically using your same card or bank account that you have withdrawn your money to. Okay, so there's no way to directly send it from PayPal to Western Union, but you can first send from PayPal to your bank account or debit card, and then send it to a Western Union. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. Just enter your account details on Western Union when you want to transfer money, and just enter your account number, bank card number, and your expiration date and CVV code, and you can transfer money that way. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments. Also, next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.